Guys, this is the new house, and look the house is pretty, am I right? Look at all the houses, villagers, and everything we have. And there's a lot of fun, and look at all the houses, and we're so silly, we don't know the home, and its name is Block 48, and I can see Lola there. And look at all of the things we had. And we need to wait Daddy to come back so we can go to this wonderful home. And we have visitors, so I can play outside. So we like to come here every day. But Daddy's silly. He don't come back. But that's a really nice place. And look at the window. Look at there. Look at the another one. Look at the boom. And I can play anywhere that you want. And when I played here, it's so much fun. But I just like everything we do. And let's look at there. And let's do this everywhere. So we can go anywhere we want to. And I like this place because it's beautiful there. And look at all the houses, neighbors and everything. And look at all the lines, so we can have Wi-Fi at our phones or our laptops or our tablets. And look at the trucks there. And then look at the lights are so silly. Let's go back to our house.
Wala pong cellphone eh. Pag walang cellphone na. Wait lang anak ha. Careful anak here. Careful. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Where's Daddy and Lola?
Daddy is inside.
Ito, yung sa top niya, 26.
Ano magkaiba tayo?
Ha?
Ayaw nga pala, mali pa.
26.
26.
Oo. Yung sa taas yan, di ba?
Oo, taas.
SD, 26.
Lahat pala apat, 26.
Ito eh. Maganda po ba? Halaman po.
Huwag ka dyan, baby. Bilis, bilis, bilis.
Ay. Dito ka na, dali. Hurry up. Do it like that. Yeah.